Good morning, guys. It is bright and early this morning. We have a doctor's appointment for Hunter, Sir Grumpy Butt over there. It's his well child checkup, but we're also going to talk about some concerns that we have. So Dawson and I are ready to go, kind of. So we will see you guys when we get back. Brooke, Hunter, and I decided to take a trip to the beach real quick. Ryden and Lucas didn't want to go, so they are just chilling at home with babysitter while we just go hang out. So we're gonna go hit up the beach for a little bit and have some fun.
Hi.
We are down here at the beach by where we live. Got a beautiful view down there. Got a little stream for them to play in, and they're gonna go hang out. Go ahead, Hunter. You can go. Go ahead.
It's a nave.
It's a nave?
Yeah, it's a nave. Nave.
Hunter, come here.
It got me wet. Can't wait to find that wave. Cold.
It's cold? Yeah, that's what the Pacific is.
It came to me, and like at first when I was standing in it, it was warm, and then the wave came,
The bigger wave.
freezing.
Yeah, it's freezing.
Freezing.
It got me. Hunter also kicked it at me, so I'm wet now. Hunter is a little bit of a shivering mess right now, so we're getting ready to pack up. He's all freezing, huh, buddy? Yeah. He's all covered in sand too. So we're gonna let Sissy finish up over there, and then we're gonna start packing up and head to get Dawson. Now we are warping to picking Dawson up from work. He should be off within the next 10, maybe 15 minutes. Hunter is all bundled up trying to get warm in the car, and Brooke's just chilling back there. So we will probably see you guys again once we are back at home.